Creating a mood board and adding visuals to your presentation are very effective ways to convey your design ideas, but usually you're working with different software and apps to modify your images. At Canoa, we're always looking to simplify things. Canvas is an all-in-one solution where you can easily create collages and vignettes using our lightweight design tools. Let's take a moment to navigate around Canvas. At the top of your canvas is your toolbar. This is where you can find and add products from our product library, add text, or add an image from your desktop. You can also copy-paste images from other canvases or from any website. To create a collage, I'm going to start by copy-pasting or dragging in saved inspiration images. I also want to include products from a product library, and I'm searching by brand here. I start to move my images around to create a collage. For this chair, I toggle to the image view, but need to resize this image. You can resize by grabbing the corner of the image, hold down your left mouse key, and drag until you get a size that you like, and then move it into place. To mirror an image, I select the image and right-click. You can then either select to either flip the image vertically or flip the image horizontally. As I'm arranging my images into place, I'm going to need to layer my images. I click on the image and then right-click and select either Bring to Front or Send to Back. Another really helpful feature is the ability to remove the background of an image. I can do this by selecting the image, clicking the appearance icon, and then selecting Remove Background. This allows me to cleanly layer all of my images. And here's an example of a layered collage. Now I want to create a collage that's more structured. I start by dragging these images into my canvas, and then with the automatic snapping and aligning, I can arrange these images into a grid format. I can align my images and keep the same distance between them, and I use my right and left arrow keys to nudge my images. I can also rotate images so that they better fit into my grid. With this image, I want to stretch it slightly so it better fits within the confines of my grid. I select the image and hold my Shift key and my left mouse key, and then drag to resize. If I make a mistake or want to go back to the original image, then I select the image, right-click, and select Reset Transform. Lastly, I want to create a vignette showing how these furniture products will look together. I've created a scaled layout using the 2D drawing view of these products. I select them, copy-paste them to another area of my canvas, and then select the Images view. As you can see, I'm going to need to resize all of these images. In fact, I'm going to use all of the features I used to create the previous collages. I'll resize, as well as layer, remove background, and even mirror images. I'm also going to add a background color, and I want to adjust the transparency so it looks less saturated. I do this by selecting the image, clicking the appearance icon, and then dragging the opacity until I get a saturation that I like. Lastly, I can select all of the images to resize everything at once. And now I have a vignette showing the furniture composition. You don't need a bunch of different software apps with complicated features to make compelling visuals. Canvas really is an all-in-one solution. I was able to create these 3 different views and a furniture layout all in my canvas. Please see our other videos for more ways to design with Canoa. Until next time.